3 easy-to-do steps in getting started in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is said to be the agreement between an online business and an affiliate, in which the affiliate makes a payment for making sales, guides, and clicks for the businessperson's website. Affiliate marketing functions a condition, which is beneficial to both the business and the affiliate. The businessperson gets chances to promote his products without charge to a bigger market, which will improve the sales of his business. The more reliable affiliates he finds, the more sales he can anticipate to come. By looking for affiliates to promote his products and services, he is already reducing his time, attempts and money in searching for potential markets and clients. As a customer clicks on the link in the affiliate site and buys the product, he or she suggests it to other customers who is on the course of searching for the similar item or purchases it again. This way the businessperson influences his opportunity of profiting. Then again, the affiliate marketer gains from every client who clicks on the link in his site and who eventually buys the product or gets the service offered by the businessperson. Normally, the affiliate acquires payments per sale made, which can be settled on a percentage or definite amount. The nice thing about this is that it will not charge $1 to join in an affiliate program. If you are thinking to be an affiliate marketer and earn money on the internet, you can follow the below listed 3 most essential steps to begin your efficient affiliate marketing campaign. The first thing you should do is to recognize a specific area you are fascinated with or passionate about so you will not be jaded and required to improve your affiliate site afterwards. Focus on a particular area you are familiar with. This will help you show your finest efforts and expertise. There are different places you can research on, so feel free to select a particular area you can learn more. The second thing is to search for a well-compensating businessperson and high-quality products. Create a list of well-compensating and high-quality affiliate programs for your selected area and make a site. In selecting a product, you should think of the assistance that they are willing to give you. This includes the promotional materials such as articles, links, banner advertisements, classified ads, and so on. The third step is of course learning how to get the proper linking programs in your website's program. Also, develop your own strategies and methods to market the products and services. There are many affiliate groups and affiliate result providers that can offer you information on the most money-making products and well-compensating businesses available. Therefore, be clever enough to select the accurate affiliate program fit for you. Once you are sure about which products to market and the business to support and have made your own site with an area name and dependable hosting provider, you are prepared to do the promotion. This is the hardest part, since by means of this you should be capable of enhancing traffic to the business website, sales and certainly, earnings. In affiliate marketing, it is probable to make huge amount of money in the least period of time if you utilize the accurate techniques and ways. Promoting a product would mean a different topic. You should be consistent in informing yourself by reading books, course, or important articles on the internet about the effective and proven promoting strategies. Keep in mind, there is no fast way to success. Affiliate marketing may appear very appealing because of the number of encouraging statements of both the businesses and affiliate marketers who have gained from it. However, it still includes an excellent pact of effort and determination. You are also required to be resourceful and elastic. There are affiliate marketers that do not realize this, so when they do not get sales, they give up, search for other affiliate programs and keep on doing the same mistakes. Then after a while, you will hear them saying affiliate marketing is only one of the rip-offs existing online. You can surely taste the excellence of success if you use the proper techniques in affiliate marketing. You can earn more money as an affiliate marketer if you are determined to do the things it needed to work. Above all, keep your intelligence and stay wise as you get started with affiliate marketing. Follow the 3 steps and it will surely lead you to the success you are longing for.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.